Dear students, we are learning our lesson number 7, the invention of Weitawonk. And the name itself suggests that there is an invention which is being taken place by our scientist Mr. Willy Wonka. It is all about the invention made by Mr. Willy Wonka. Okay, he is an inventor. So till now you have learned the lesson, but today we are going to summarize it. He invented a medicine called Weitawonk that makes people younger, and it is too strong that it made some people's age into minus numbers. They disappear because of their age becomes minus. Age becomes minus. Just imagine. Now Mr. Wonka has to make something that would make people oldest. Fine. Thus, he decides to search for new recipes. Actually, it is the work of inventors and scientists. They always search for new things, new methods, new techniques, isn't it? Okay. So he decides to search for new recipes to invent new medicine, and that new medicine would be the medicine which would make the people older. Okay, and therefore he starts his research to prepare a new medicine by asking himself two questions. First question was that what lives longer than anything else? It was the first question that he wanted to know the answer. Then the second question was what lives longer than anything else? What lives longer than anything else? So in these questions, in answer to these questions, he says it is a tree called bristlecone pine that grows upon the slopes of Willard Park in Nevada, USA. It is Nevada is in USA. Willard Park is the name of a place. So he says that it is the oldest tree is in Nevada, USA. Mr. Wonka tells Charlie that he has searched all over the world. What does he say? That he has searched all over the world and collected special items from the oldest living things. Now he has made a list of these items that he had collected. First thing, that a pint of sap from a 4,000-year-old bristlecone pine. Okay? Then a toenail clipping from 168-year-old Russian farmer. What is the age of the Russian farmer? 168 years. Then an egg, E-double-G, an egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. What was the age of the tortoise? It was 200 years old. Then the next item, he had the tail of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. Next, the whiskers of a 36-year-old cat called Crumpets. Whiskers means the hair growth on the upper parts of the animals, okay, at the neck, okay. An old flea which had lived on Crumpets for 36 years. Then a tail of a 207 years old giant from Tibet, okay. The black teeth of a 97 years old grimalkin living in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl. Fine? A black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin. Okay? The knuckle bones of 700 years old Catalu from Peru. Peru is the name of a country. Fine. So these are the things which he required, which he had collected. Okay. These items once he collected, then Mr. Wonka tells Charlie that he has gone all over the world and looked for very old ancient animals and has taken a little of something important from each of them for his research, like hair or an eyebrow. Okay, what did he say? Mr. Wonka tells Charlie that he has gone all over the world to collect all these items and looked for very old and ancient animals and has taken a little of something important from each one of them for his research, like hair or an eyebrow. He required these things. Okay? What did he require? That something important from each one of them for his research, like hair or an eyebrow. There have been so many of such things, including the most venomous squeak. Okay? He had collected so many things, and among them, one of them is quite enormous venomous. Venomous means poisonous. Venomous. VENOMOUS. Venomous means poisonous. ओके, जो चीज़ मतलब जहरीली होती है वो कहलाती है पॉइजनस. देन फाइनली ही स्टार्ट्स हिज रिसर्च. क्या करता है वो? अब अपनी रिसर्च शुरू करता है. एंड आफ्टर लॉट्स ऑफ एफर्ट्स एंड मिक्सिंग एंड बॉइलिंग एंड टेस्टिंग ही मेक्स वन tiny cupful of oily black liquid. Actually, research work takes a lot time. It takes a long time. Before the scientists or the researchers or the technicians come to any result, it takes a long time. So he also took a long time, means the experimenting of mixing, boiling, adding, testing, everything is there when someone wants to create something new. Okay? And after a long period of experimenting, he created a bowl of some mixture which was a cup full of only black liquid. He tests this liquid on a 20 years old volunteer. अब liquid बना तो दिया, but it has to be tested, isn't it? Now you must be reading in newspapers that the medicine or the testing of corona or some vaccines for corona are being prepared and it is claimed that they are ready, but they are to be tested first. It is not there that the medicine as soon as it has been prepared and it has been given to the people. No, it is tested first, and the scientist Mr. Wonka decides to do this experiment on a volunteer, a young volunteer. And what happened? volunteer's name was Oompa Loompa. Just remember, all the names are very funny in this lesson. So the volunteer's name is Oompa Loompa, and he asks him to taste it. Only 4 drops of the liquid. Okay? It was really a success. As soon as the volunteer swallows it, he begins wrinkling and shriveling up all over. What does he say? This boy, this volunteer, began to wrinkle and shrivel all over his body. पूरे शरीर पर झुर्रियाँ पड़ गई. His hair starts developing off. His teeth starts falling out. Now what happened? His hair started falling off. बाल गिरने लगे जैसे ओल्ड एज में होता है. Then his teeth also started falling out. दांत गिरने लगे. And suddenly he turns into a 75-year-old man. 20-year-old boy कितना बन गया? 70-year-old man. Thus he says that the Vita Wong was invented. And this way he says that the invention of Vita Wong took place. So I hope you must have enjoyed this humorous and funny story. Actually, this has a motive behind it. Such stories motivate you to do the experiments and never lag behind to accept any challenge or adopt any new thing. Okay? Here in this story, the scientist was very much interested. He already invented the medicine which made people younger and younger. But after that, he decided to make a medicine which would make the people older and oldest. And in this way, he became quite successful in his work, in his experiment. And therefore, we can say that we should never hesitate to do any experiment. Though such type of experiments are not advisable, but we must be ready to begin a new thing every time. Okay?